During the Second World War, the United Kingdom deployed a wide and highly adaptable range of military vehicles designed to operate across multiple continents and combat environments. British vehicle doctrine focused on reliability, standardization, and logistical efficiency rather than extreme technical complexity. From light utility vehicles to heavy tanks and artillery tractors, these machines supported infantry, armor, and supply networks under constant pressure. This is a structured and historical overview of the most important British military vehicles used during World War II. Light utility and reconnaissance vehicles. Austin 8 HP Light Utility. A compact light utility vehicle developed for liaison and command duties. Its simple construction allowed rapid production and easy maintenance. Although lightly built, it proved effective for staff transport and communication roles. The Austin 8 HP filled critical non-combat mobility needs. Morris Light Reconnaissance Car. A lightly armored vehicle designed for scouting and patrol missions. It provided limited protection while maintaining mobility on roads and light off-road terrain. Armed with a machine gun, it was mainly used in early war reconnaissance roles. Its design reflected Britain's pre-war reconnaissance doctrine. Daimler Dingo Scout Car. A fast and well-armored reconnaissance vehicle used extensively throughout the war. Its low profile and four-wheel drive made it effective for observation and liaison missions. The Dingo was praised for mobility and reliability. It remained in service long after the war ended. Humber Light Reconnaissance Car. A wheeled armored vehicle used for scouting and security tasks. It offered better armor than earlier reconnaissance cars while maintaining reasonable speed. The Humber served in Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. It balanced protection and mobility effectively. Logistics and transport vehicles. Bedford MW. A light 15 CWT truck used for general transport and specialized roles such as radio, ambulance, and command vehicles. Its compact size allowed operation on narrow roads and rough terrain. The Bedford MW became one of the most common British support vehicles. Reliability was its key advantage. Bedford OY. A 3-ton general service truck used for transporting supplies and towing artillery. Its mechanical simplicity allowed rapid repairs in field conditions. It operated on all major British fronts during the war. The OY was valued for endurance rather than performance. Bedford QL. A standardized military truck featuring a cab-over-engine layout. This design improved maneuverability and reduced vehicle length. Carried troops, ammunition, and fuel across harsh environments. The Bedford QL formed the backbone of British wartime logistics. Morris Commercial CS8. A light truck used extensively during the early years of the war. It performed transport and artillery support roles despite limited engine power. Simple construction made it easy to maintain. The CS8 supported British forces during early mobilization. Albion CX-22S. A heavy-duty truck designed for long-distance transport and towing. It was frequently used for artillery and tank transport roles. Strong suspension and drivetrain ensured reliability under heavy loads. Albion trucks supported large-scale logistical movements. Armored cars. Humber Armored Car. A mainstay armored car of British and Commonwealth forces. It combined good road speed with respectable armor and armament. Used extensively in reconnaissance and security roles, the Humber proved adaptable across multiple theaters. Daimler Armored Car. A heavily armed wheeled armored car equipped with a 2-pounder gun. It offered firepower comparable to light tanks while maintaining mobility. Used for reconnaissance and combat support roles. Its design emphasized versatility and battlefield presence. Infantry and cruiser tanks. Infantry tank Mk1 Matilda 1. A heavily armored infantry tank armed only with machine guns. Designed to support infantry advances against enemy fire. Extremely slow but well protected for its time. Its limitations became evident as the war progressed. Infantry tank Mk2 Matilda 2. A significant improvement over earlier designs, featuring heavy armor and a 2-pounder gun. It proved highly effective in early North African campaigns. Enemy anti-tank weapons initially struggled against it. Mobility limitations eventually reduced its battlefield relevance. Valentine tank. A compact and reliable infantry tank produced in large numbers. It balanced armor, firepower, and mechanical reliability. widely exported to Allied forces, including the Soviet Union. The Valentine became one of Britain's most produced tanks. Churchill Infantry Tank. A heavily armored tank designed for difficult terrain and infantry support. Its long hull and multiple bogies allowed excellent obstacle crossing ability. Though slow, it proved durable and adaptable. The Churchill served throughout the war in multiple variants. Cruiser Tank Mk4. A fast cruiser tank intended for maneuver warfare. It sacrificed armor for speed and mobility. Used primarily in early and mid-war operations. Mechanical reliability issues limited its effectiveness. Crusader Tank. One of the most widely used British cruiser tanks. It emphasized speed and operational flexibility. Extensively deployed in North Africa. While lightly armored, it played a crucial role in mobile warfare. Cromwell Tank. A well-balanced cruiser tank featuring high speed and improved reliability. Powered by the Rolls-Royce Meteor engine. It combined mobility, armor, and firepower effectively. The Cromwell represented a major improvement in British tank design. Heavy and specialized tanks. Challenger Tank. A cruiser tank designed to mount a powerful anti-tank gun. Developed to counter heavily armored enemy tanks. Limited production reduced its battlefield impact. It demonstrated Britain's shift toward higher firepower. Comet Tank. An evolution of the Cromwell, featuring improved armor and a more powerful gun. It balanced speed with increased lethality. Entered service late in the war, the Comet bridged the gap to post-war tank designs. Artillery tractors and support vehicles. Morris Quad. A dedicated artillery tractor designed to tow field guns. It provided transport for gun crews and ammunition. Four-wheel drive ensured good off-road performance. The Morris Quad became standard artillery support. AEC Matador. A heavy artillery tractor used to tow medium and heavy guns. Its robust design allowed operation in extreme terrain. Widely used in Europe and North Africa, the Matador was known for strength and reliability. Scammell Pioneer. A heavy recovery and transport vehicle used for tank recovery and heavy towing. Its winch system allowed recovery of disabled armored vehicles. Operated under extreme conditions, the Pioneer was essential for battlefield recovery operations. Anti-aircraft and special purpose vehicles. Morris C9/B. A light truck adapted for anti-aircraft use, often mounted with light AA guns for air defense, provided mobile protection for convoys and installations. Flexibility was its main strength. Bedford QLB. A specialized version of the QL designed to carry the Bofors 40mm anti-aircraft gun. Allowed rapid deployment and repositioning of AA assets. Played a vital role in mobile air defense. Combined transport and firepower. Amphibious and engineering vehicles. Universal Carrier. A fully tracked light vehicle used for transport, reconnaissance, and support roles. Carried infantry, weapons, and supplies. Highly versatile and widely produced. The Universal Carrier served in nearly every theater. Churchill Aviary. An engineering variant of the Churchill tank. Equipped with demolition weapons for clearing obstacles and fortifications. Played a key role during amphibious landings. Essential for assault engineering operations. Churchill Crocodile. A flamethrower-equipped version of the Churchill tank. Designed for bunker clearing and psychological impact. Highly effective against fortified positions. One of the most feared Allied vehicles. Sherman Firefly. A British modified American tank armed with a powerful 17-pounder gun. Capable of destroying heavy enemy tanks. Combined Allied production with British firepower doctrine. Became one of the most effective tank killers. Centaur Tank. A close support tank variant designed to provide fire support during landings. Used primarily by Royal Marines. Mounted a powerful howitzer. Played a specialized but important role during amphibious operations. Together, these vehicles formed a flexible and resilient military fleet that supported British operations across the globe. Emphasizing reliability, adaptability, and logistical coordination, this has been a technical and historical overview of British military vehicles used during World War II. This is Military Arsenal Explained.